In today's video, I'm going to show you STC Pay versus STC Bank. What's the difference? STC Pay and STC Bank may sound similar, but they serve different purposes within Saudi Arabia's financial ecosystem. Understanding the distinction is important if you're deciding which one to use for your daily financial needs. STC Pay started as a digital wallet service under Saudi telecom company STC. It was designed mainly for quick money transfers, paying bills, making online purchases, and sending remittances to other countries. Think of it as a mobile first solution where you top up your wallet through your bank or card, then use the balance for payments and transfers. STC Pay is convenient because you don't necessarily need a full bank account to use it, making it accessible to a wider range of people. For a long time, it operated as a licensed fintech wallet under the Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority, SAMA. STC Bank, on the other hand, is a newer development. In late 2022, STC Pay officially transitioned into STC Bank after receiving approval to become a fully licensed digital bank. This means STC Bank is no longer just a wallet, but a complete digital bank offering full banking services. With STC Bank, you can open an account, get an IBAN, receive your salary directly, and access more advanced financial products such as debit cards, savings features, and possibly loans in the future. Essentially, STC Bank takes the convenience of STC Pay and expands it into a full banking experience regulated under Saudi banking laws. The main difference, therefore, is scope. STC Pay was limited to wallet-style services, while STC Bank now offers you a complete banking solution with broader financial capabilities. If you only need a wallet for quick payments and remittances, you may already be familiar with the old STC Pay experience. But if you want your salary deposited, require an IBAN, or need traditional banking services without visiting a physical branch, STC Bank is the evolved platform built to meet those needs. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.